Stop scrolling because this is one of the most unusual comparisons you'll see in 2026, and it actually makes a lot more sense than it sounds at first. At its core, this is not really about comparing two similar products. It's about understanding two completely different categories that both solve maintenance problems, but in totally different words. On one side, you have a digital platform built for creating websites, helping businesses and creators build their online presence without coding, focusing on design, branding, and online growth. It's basically a tool for building and managing your identity on the internet. On the other side, you have a physical automotive component designed to protect your engine by filtering contaminants, ensuring performance, and extending the life of your vehicle. It's not about design or content. It's about mechanical protection and reliability under pressure. So before you even try to compare them directly, think about in this way. One builds your digital presence while the other protects your physical engine from damage. The only real connection is that both are tools that help maintain something important over time. Because in 2026, not every comparison is about which one is better. It's about understanding why two completely different tools even get mentioned in the same conversation. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech breakdowns just like this one.